In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to import UIs with Bloxporter. By the end, you'll know how to grab ready-made Roblox UI designs from Figma community, bring them into your own Figma project, and set yourself up to use Bloxporter in your workflow. No extra tools yet, just clean, reliable prep inside Figma so everything imports smoothly later. Start inside Figma and head to your drafts. This is your personal workspace where new files and duplicates will live. From there, open the Community section. Community is Figma's library of public files, templates, and resources shared by creators. It's where you'll find Roblox-ready UI kits and components you can reuse and customize. In the Community search bar, type Roblox. You'll see a mix of full UI kits, icons, and sample screens. If you want to narrow results, look for files rather than plugins or widgets, and skim the previews to confirm they're genuine UI assets. Take a moment to scan the description and licensing notes to make sure reuse is allowed for your project. When you spot a template you like, open it to preview what's inside. Check for frames that match your target platform like phone, tablet, or desktop and see if the design uses auto layout and consistent styles. Those details will make edits faster later. If it looks good, click Open in Figma. This duplicates the community file into your drafts so you can work on your own copy without affecting the original. Once the file opens, pick the frame you want to use. A frame could be a full screen like a main menu or inventory, or a component such as a button set or modal. Make sure you're selecting the parent frame so you capture all nested layers. It helps to rename the frame clearly now, since good layer names make organization and exporting easier. Right-click the selected frame and choose Copy. Keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl or CMD+C work the same. If the design is a component instance and you plan to customize it, consider copying the main component so your edits stay consistent. But a straight copy of the frame works fine for most cases. Now switch back to your own project file and paste. The frame will drop into your canvas at its original size. If fonts are missing, Figma will prompt you to replace them, pick close matches for consistent spacing. Tidy up the position, check scaling, and keep related frames together so you're ready for the Bloxporter import step when you move into Roblox. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.